Hey guys, so this is a wireless keyboard from McKibbe. This is in the purple color. It is seriously so cute. It also comes with a mouse, and this is a smaller keyboard than a lot of standard keyboards, but it is so cute and it would be great and lightweight if you're on the go, if you're going to somewhere like a coffee shop and you want to carry it in your backpack or something, which is exactly what I plan on doing. And it just looks really nice. It has kind of like a typewriter vintage aesthetic to it. And another thing I really like is how the keys feel. It's hard to explain it, but they feel very smooth and they just are nice to type on. And then one of my favorite things is the way the mouse feels. It has a very nice feel to it. It's a great size. I kind of have smaller hands. It fits perfectly for me. And then it's also so quiet. Like, I can't hear that at all. Like, it is nice. I definitely recommend this keyboard. I am a big fan of how it looks and the feel of it when typing. So definitely recommend trying this keyboard out. This was sent to me for a review and I'm really happy with how it looks and how it feels.